How to resist bacteria and viruses in daily life. Step 1. Wash your hands. Step 2. Have clean food and water. Step 3. Keep the room neat and tidy. Now the defense is solid enough. Unless bacteria and viruses are entering your body through your breath. So, let's go to step 4. Get Hisense HVAC indoor unit with the Air Pure kit. It can release a large amount of negative ions, inhibiting the airborne bacteria and viruses effectively. Now, just take a deep breath and enjoy your healthy life. We're holding the air for you. Hisense HVAC. Redefine the air.